Renting a property in Dubai, know your rights to protect yourself and your home. Number 1. Rent increases must follow strict guidelines. Check the RERA calculator for allowable market rates. Number 2. Landlords are responsible for maintenance and repairs, unless you reach an agreement with them. For example, you might agree to the landlord covering repairs up to 500 dirhams. Number 3. Landlords must provide a minimum of 12-month notice if they want you to vacate the property at any time during the tenancy contract. Number 4. If the rent is to be increased upon lease renewal, the landlord must give a 90-day notice. Number 5. Your rental property is your sanctuary. Landlords cannot enter without your permission until the rental contract ends. For example, if they show up unannounced, you are technically allowed to refuse them entry. And number 6. If you face a dispute over rent increases or eviction, you have the right to file a case with the land department. Ever had issues renting a property in Dubai? Share your stories in the comments below.